Let's talk about the quiet hero of your office, your bookkeeper. They're the ones who remember payroll, track down receipts, and somehow keep your finances from turning into a dumpster fire. But what happens when that steady presence starts to slip? It usually doesn't start with a meltdown. A few late reports, a reconciliation doesn't quite add up, and then boom, you get an email, they're burned out, they're done. Here's something most leaders don't realize. A lot of bookkeepers aren't formally trained in QuickBooks Online. They've learned on the fly that works until the business grows and the books get more complex. That's where we come in. At BudgetEase, we're not here to replace your bookkeeper. We're here to support them. Think of us as a navigator to their driver. We help them with reconciliations, workflows, and those tricky QuickBook quirks that keep them up all night. And here's a fraud prevention tip no one talks about. The person entering the bills should never be the one paying them. It's a simple internal control that can save you from a world of hurt. Outsourcing part of your accounting doesn't mean giving up control. It means building a system that doesn't fall apart if one person gets sick, takes a vacation, or decides to move on. So if your bookkeeper's been unusually quiet, check in, offer support, and if needed, bring in a partner like BudgetEase to help lighten the load before silence turns into a crisis. Thanks so much for joining the BudgetEase broadcast. I hope you found this information helpful, and we look forward to having you join us at the next one.